Hello students, Sairam. Let us continue with the same chapter, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Today we will understand to find cost price or selling price from loss percent or profit percent, and then ratios to percentages, and then exercise 8.3 we will do from question number 4 to question number 8. So let us start. Question number 4 of exercise 8.3. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? So first we will write the price of car last year, which was 3,50,000, and then price of car this year, that is rupees 3,70,000. So there is an increase. So increase in price is how much? That we will get by subtraction. So we'll write rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000, and then we'll subtract it. On subtraction we will get rupees 20,000. So this much price has increased. And then you know this we have learned last time, percentage of price increase is equal to increase in price upon price of car last year into 100%. So this will be equal to, now increase in price, just now we have done this subtraction. So we'll write here 20,000 upon, and here the price last year was how much? It was 3,50,000. So in denominator we'll write 3,50,000 into 100%, and then we will reduce. Here you can see 40 and this 40 will be cut. So now here you see it will be 2 upon 35 into 100%, and then these two numbers we will reduce. If you want you can write in this way also, is equal to 2 into 100 upon 35, and then you know both the numbers are divisible by 5. So we'll reduce it. We'll divide it by 5. Here 7 will come and here 20 will come, because 25 is 100. So then 2 into 20 is 40 upon 7%. And then what we'll do? We will divide this 40 by 7. So on dividing you can see here you will get 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. So 5 is the remainder. So we'll write like this. First we'll write this number 5 and then 5 upon 7%. So this is the answer for question number 4 of exercise 8.3. Then question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? That means we have to find out selling price. And this is the cost price given, and this is the profit percent given. So let us write what is given. CP is equal to rupees 10,000. SP we have to find out. You will give here question mark, and profit percent is given 20. You can see here 20%. 20% is given. And then we will use the formula for profit percent. You know profit percentage is profit upon CP into 100%, and that is equal to profit percent, and profit percent is given 20%. So we'll here write 20%, and then profit we have to find out first. Profit will write upon, in place of CP we know the value 10,000 will write, that is equal to, now 20 is here, this if you take it to this side, here it is multiplication, when you take it to this side it will become division. So we'll write 20% upon, this will bring it to right side, so it will become upon 100%. Now both percent will cut, and then we'll write in the next step profit only will keep, because we have to find out profit first. So we'll write profit, and this 20, if you bring this 20 upon 100, we'll write 20 upon 100, which is on right side, and then this one here it is divided, we'll bring it to the other side, so here it will become multiplication, and 10,000 we will write. That means we'll write 20 upon 100 multiplied by 10,000. And then we'll reduce. this 0 will be cut. So you will get 2 upon 10 into 10,000. And then again you can reduce this 0 will be cut. So you will get 2 into, here you can see profit is equal to 2 into 1000. And 2 into 1000 is 2000. So we got the value of profit. Now you know profit is equal to SP minus CP. Or you can write, we will bring this CP because we have to find out selling price. According to the question here, you see we have to find out selling price. So we will bring this CP to this side. So it will become plus here when you will bring it to left side. So profit plus CP is equal to SP. Or we can write SP is equal to CP plus profit. This part will write here and this will write on this side. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. And we know CP is given 10,000 in the question. So we'll write 10,000 plus profit we got just now, that is 2,000. And this 2 we will add. So we'll get 12,000. So I get rupees 12,000 from selling 8. So selling price of the TV is rupees 12,000. Now we will take one example from the lesson, example number 18. The cost of a flower vase is rupees 120. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%, find the price at which it is sold. That means here what is given? We know the cost price. So cost price we will write CP is equal to rupees 120. And then we know loss percent, that is written loss percent is equal to 10%. Find the price at which it is sold. That means we have to find out selling price. So selling price question mark. So as loss percentage is given, so we are going to use the formula for loss percent, which is loss upon CP into 100%, and that is equal to loss percent, and the value is here 10%. So we'll write 10%. And then in the next step what you will do, loss upon, now CP is 120, we'll write 120, which is equal to 10%, which is on right side, that will write, and this is multiplied here, we'll bring it to this side, it will become divided. So 10% upon 100%. Now this percent will be cut, 10 upon 100 is left, and then this 120 also we will take it to this side. So here it is divided. So loss upon 120, so when you take it to the other side, it will become multiplication. So the next step will be loss is equal to 10 upon 100 into 120. And then what we'll do, we'll reduce this 0 will be cut, and then you will get 1 upon 10 into 120. And then again this 0 and this 0 will cut. So 12 ones are 12. So answer is loss is rupees 12. So we got loss. Now we have to find out selling price. So as you know, loss is equal to CP minus SP. So SP will be, now if I bring this to this side, so what will happen? This will take it to the other side. So here it is positive. When you take it to this side, it will become minus. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. And then we will substitute the value. As CP is 120, we'll write in place of CP 120. And loss is how much? Just now we have calculated. It is 12. So 120 minus 12. So 120 minus 12 is 108. Therefore, it is sold at rupees 108. So let us see the next example, example number 19, which is also very important. You can see in your textbook, it is solved. Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. If the profit made by shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price of this toy? So here what is given? We know selling price, we know profit percent. Now what we have to find out? Here we have to find out cost price. So we are going to write the formula for profit percent, because here profit percent is given. So the formula is profit upon CP into 100%, that is equal to 20%, because profit percent is 20%. Now here profit is equal to, as you know, profit is equal to SP minus CP. And SP is given here, SP is 540. So what we'll do, we'll write 540 minus CP. So in place of profit, we are going to write 540 minus CP upon CP as it is, that is equal to 20% upon, now this will take it to this side. So here it is multiplied. So when you take it to this side, it will become division. So 20% upon 100%. So percent will be cut. So 20 upon 100 is written. You can see here. So 540 minus CP upon CP, and then we'll reduce this. 0 will cut. Then we'll get 2 upon 10, and then in the next step we'll reduce this two numbers also. We will get here 1 upon 5. And then what we'll do? We will cross multiply. Now this 5 we have to multiply with both the terms. This way we are going to cross, and this we will cross. Now here this way we'll cross multiply. 5 will be multiplied by both this. 540 minus CP. So we'll put a bracket like this, and that is equal to 1 into CP. And then next step, children, you all know now here there is a bracket. That means we will have to multiply. Now 5 has to be multiplied with this also, and 5 has to be multiplied with CP also. So the next step you see, children, 5 into 540 is 2700. Now here minus is there, so we'll write minus, and then 5 into CP is 5CP, which is equal to, now 1 into CP is CP. And now 2700 will write, here it is, so we'll just bring it here. Now this 5CP will take it to the other side. We'll keep all CP together. So this cost price is 5CP. When you'll take it to the other side, it will become 6CP, because here it is negative. When you'll take it to the other side, it will become plus 5CP. And 5CP plus CP is equal to 6CP. Now we can write in this way also. 6CP is equal to 2700. Now CP will be equal to 2700 first we'll write, and then this is 6. This we will take it to this side. Here there is no sign in between CP and 6, means there is multiplication. And this 6, when you take it to the other side, you will have to divide. So 2700 will be divided by 6, and then we are going to reduce. So you can see these two numbers are divisible by 2 also, as well as by 3 also. So here it is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, and then 2 0 is written here, 900 upon 2. If you divide it by 2 also, you will get the same answer. Answer will be rupees 450. And then again we will reduce this. You will get rupees 450. So cost price is rupees 450. Children, practice all the sums again in your notebook. Now next is question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So here what we have to find out? Here we have to find out cost price. And here what is given? Selling price is given. And what is given? Loss percent is given. So we will write what is given first. Selling price is equal to rupees 13,500 and loss percent is 20%. So we have to find out cost price. So let the cost price be X. Therefore loss will be how much? Now you can write 20% of X. We have seen using the formula of loss percent, how we are writing, we are getting it 20% of CP. So CP is X, so we can write directly 20% of X. Or by using the formula also, you will get the same thing. So 20% of X. And then we know the formula for selling price. As we have to find out here, what you will find out, you will write down cost price plus loss is equal to selling price. You will write down the formula because we have got loss. So CP minus loss is equal to selling price. Now what we know, cost price we have taken X. So in place of cost price, we will write X. And in place of loss, what will write? 20% of X. Or you can write minus 20% is 20 upon 100 into X. And that is equal to, now selling price we know 13,500. Now here we have to find out cost price. So cost price is X. So this is the step. Now next what you will do? You are going to reduce this. This 0 will be cut. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So you will get 1 upon 5x. So next step, x minus 1 upon 5x is equal to 13,500. Now what you will do? Here there is no, you can write 1 here and taking the LCM of 1 and 5, you will get 5. and then here 5x minus 1x is 4x. So directly here it is written. If you want, you can add one more step, 5x minus 1x upon 5. And 5x minus 1x is 4x. 4x upon 5 is equal to 13,500. And then as we have to find out cost price, that is x. So x will keep here, and this we will take it to the other side. So it will be 13,500 multiplied by this 4 upon 5 will become 5 upon 4. And then you are going to reduce it. On reducing, you will get 16,875. Therefore, she bought it for rupees 16,875. So this was the cost price of washing machine. Now next is question number 7 of exercise 8.3. The first part, let us see. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. So first we will find out the percentage of carbon in chalk. So carbon is this much, 10:3. You can see calcium here 10, and then carbon is 3, and then oxygen is 12. So first we will write ratio of calcium, carbon and oxygen is equal to 10:3:12. And then total ratios will be 10 plus 3 plus 12. 10 plus 3 plus 12 is 25. And now in the question we have to find out the percentage of carbon. So we'll write therefore percentage of carbon is equal to, here you can see here carbon is 3. You can see here carbon is given 3. So ratio of carbon is 3. So we'll write 3 in the numerator upon the total ratio is, you can see here 25. So we'll write 25 into 100. And then we'll reduce it. As you know, 25 fours are 100 and then 4 threes are 12. So on reducing you will get 12%. So the percentage of carbon in chalk is 12%. Now the next part of the question, if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So they have given here the weight of carbon, which is 3 gram, and you have to find out the weight of the chalk stick. So let the weight of the chalk stick be x gram, because we don't know, so we'll take it as x gram. And what we know this, we know the weight of carbon and we know the percentage of carbon also. So we are going to use that. We will write 12% of the total weight of the stick is x. Chalk stick is x gram. So 12% of x is equal to 3. 3 because 3 is the weight of the carbon in that chalk. So we'll write like this, 12% of x is equal to 3. So this way an equation will be formed. And now 12%, you know that is 12 upon 100 into x, which is the weight of the chalk which we have to find out, and that is equal to 3. 3 is given, 3 is the weight of the carbon. So we'll write here equal to 3. And then x is equal to, x will keep here, and 3 we will write first. This we will bring it to this side. So when you will bring it to this side, 12 upon 100 will become 100 upon 12. So 3 into 100 upon 12. And then you will reduce it. You will reduce 3 and 12, 3 fours are 12, and then again 104 will be divisible by 2. So when you divide it by 2, you will get the answer 25 gram. So what you have understood, the weight of the chalk stick is 25 gram. Now next is question number 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So here what we have to do, we have to find out selling price. And what is given, let us write first. Cost price is 275. Loss percent is 15%. And then what we have to find out? We have to find out selling price. Now children, if you want, you can use this formula, like loss percent is given. How we have discussed in the beginning, you will use the formula for loss percent. So loss upon CP into 100%, and that is equal to 15% because loss percent is given 15%. This way also you can show the working. And then loss upon, now in place of CP 275 is written, and that is equal to 15%. Now this 100% will take it to this side, and then you will cut this percent, 15 upon 100. Now here there is division, you can see loss upon 275. Upon means division. Now this we will take it to the other side, it will become multiplication. So you'll get 15 upon, you can see a 15 upon 100 into 275. That means 15% of 275, which is written here directly. You can write it directly also, and you can solve it step by step this way also. So loss is 15% of 275. That is the cost price. Now what you do? Now you know the formula. As there is a loss, so we'll write cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. And then now we are going to substitute the value. Now cost price is 275, which is given in the question, and loss we will write this 15 upon 100 into 275, and that is equal to selling price. Now what you will do, you will multiply this two number, you will get here 4125 upon 100, which is equal to selling price. If you want, you can reduce this. Here also you can reduce, but if you write in this way, you can convert directly into decimal. See how it is done here. So it will be easier for you to work out. So here 275 minus, if you convert this into decimal, decimal is here. So as it is divided by 100, so it will move to the left by 2 places. So you will get 41.25, which is equal to selling price. And then you can subtract this two number. Here you can see it is done 275.00. You can add to 0 here because here there are 2 decimal places. That's why you should write like this. Then you will not make any mistake. And then minus 41.25. And then you can subtract 10 minus 5 is 5. And then this will become 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And this will be 5 is there, so it will become 4. You know that 4 minus 1 is 3, then 7 minus 4 is 3, and then 2 as it is will write. So on subtraction we will get 233.75. So selling price is 233.75. Now this is your homework for today. These are the 2 questions which are important. You will do it in your maths notebook. This is based on ratio. Here you have to find out how much will each get. You can see here 3 people are there, and there this thing rupees 250 is divided into 2 parts, 3 parts and 5 parts. How much will each get and what will it be in percentages? And the next is cost of an item is rupees 50. It was sold with a profit of 12%. You have to find out the selling price. Thank you. That's all for today.